Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are doing good. Students, take out your Oxford Modern English book and open page number 48. Open page number 48. Students, today we are going to learn about more prepositions. More prepositions. As I told you that prepositions are the words that are used to describe the position of something or someone. Look at this picture. Today we are going to describe about this picture and the positions of the thing, an animal or a person in this picture. Let's read with me. There is a big white cloud in the sky. As you can see, in the sky there is a white cloud. In is a preposition here. The sun is behind the cloud. The sun is behind the cloud. You can see the sun is behind the cloud. So the sun is a preposition here. The cloud is in front of the sun. The cloud is in front of the sun. In front of is a preposition here, and you can see it is describing the position of cloud. That cloud is in front of the sun. There is a cart in the middle of the road. You can see it is a cart and it is in the middle of the road. There is a cart in the middle of the road. There is a house beside the road. You can see there is a house beside the road, and beside is preposition here because it is showing the position of the house. There is a lake near the house. You can see there is a lake near the house. So near is a preposition here. There is a boat on the lake. You can see there is a boat on the lake. So on is a preposition here. There is a tall tree beside the lake. You can see beside the lake there is a tree. So beside is a preposition here. So students, now revise all the sentences with me. There is a big white cloud in the sky. The sun is behind the cloud. The cloud is in front of the sun. There is a cart in the middle of the road. There is a house beside the road. There is a lake near the house. There is a boat on the lake. There is a tall tree beside the lake. Use these words in sentences. So here are some prepositions and we have to use them in the sentences. The first is in. Now make a sentence of in with me. You can say the cat is in the box. The cat is in the box. On. You can say the book is on the table. The book is on the table. Behind. You can say the cat is behind the sofa. In front of. Here you can also say that my friend is standing in front of me. Near. You can say there is a house near the market, and that is my friend's house. Beside. You can say there is a tree beside my house. So student, revise this page at your home. Take care. Allah Hafiz.